Now we will discuss one more concept here, that is optical isomerism. What is optical isomerism, sir? Optical isomers. The compound having same molecular formula and structure, but a difference in the behavior of plane polarized light. So we will discuss one by one. What is the plane polarized light? Now I am taking, this is the source of light. This is light source. Light source. Okay, which can allow. Okay, the source of light always it is an electromagnetic wave which will oscillate all the directions. This is all oscillations of light which can allow Nicol prism. Nicol prism. In this Nicol prism is made up of calcium carbonate. It is made up of calcium carbonate. The different oscillations of this light which is allow in the same plane. When ordinary light is an electromagnetic wave which has the oscillations in all the directions perpendicular to the path. All the oscillations of light, all the directions perpendicular to the, which has oscillations in all the directions perpendicular to the path of propagation. When an ordinary light which can passes through the Nicol prism, all the oscillations are passes through in the same plane or single direction. That is called simply one direction. All the oscillations of in this light in the same plane is called PPL, plane polarized light. When an ordinary light which can allow or passes through the Nicol prism, it has all its oscillations in the same plane or in the single direction, is called plane polarized light. The device that brings polarization in the light is called polarizer. The device that is called polarizer. The device is Nicol prism. The device which can bring all the oscillations in the same plane, that the device is called polarizer. In this plane polarizer light, which can allow into the plane polarizer light, this is called polarimeter. Okay, this length is equal to the 1 decimeter or 10 centimeter. The concentration of this solution is equal to the 1 gram per milliliter. When a compound or a sample of organic compound which can rotate in this plane polarizer light towards either right side or clockwise direction, means like this, or anti-clockwise direction means or left side, then the compounds are called optical active compound. Then the properties are called optical activity. Once again repeat. some substances have the ability to rotate. Some substances, not all the substances, some substances the ability have which can rotate plane polarized light towards either clockwise direction or right side or anti-clockwise direction or left side. The plane polarized light is called optically active compound. Once again, some substances have the ability to rotate the plane polarized light either to the right or to the left. These substances are termed as a optically active substances. Then the property is called optical activity. Then the compounds are called optically active compound. Okay, what is the definition of optical isomerism? The compound having similar physical and chemical properties but differ in the only differ behavior of towards pale polarized, but differ only in the behavior of plane polarized light. Rotate plane polarized light is called optical isomer. Then the phenomena is called optical isomerism. I hope this definition is clear. What is optical isomerism? Okay, next class we will continue. Okay, what are the classification of optical iso compounds? Thank you.